Hello, friends. Today we will witness the most breathtaking and shocking moments in traffic accidents. From reckless drivers causing tragic accidents to unexpected situations caused by cars losing control or disregarding traffic signs. Together we will analyze each situation to learn valuable lessons for ourselves. Buckle up and let's get started. A car disregarded traffic signals and ran a red light at extremely high speed. A terrible accident just because of the reckless action of running a red light. Oh no, the driver is out of control. The vehicle begins to scrap. The car crashes straight into the median. Fortunately, no vehicles were affected. This car is rushing to the toll booth at extremely high speed. The car was crushed, the toll booth shook, and debris flew everywhere. This is the consequence of speeding and losing control while driving. A horrifying situation reminds everyone, never be subjective when driving. Just 1 second of carelessness can lead to tragedy. The shock is so powerful that the bicycler is kissed into the air. This is a warning to all of us. When crossing the street, always look carefully. One moment of carelessness can be very costly. A haunting accident. This is a warning to all parents. Always keep an eye on your children when they play near the road. Just a moment of carelessness can cause tragedy. moment of carelessness can lead to unpredictable consequences. When participating in traffic, always observe carefully before crossing the road. The car was crossing the road at too high a speed. The crash too horrifying. The car turns many rounds. And oh no, smoke goes up. The fire is breaking out. This is a bloody lesson. Never cross the road without looking carefully, especially at high speed. The car is slowly turning. The motorcycle is coming at too fast speed. A direct crash in the middle of a car. Motorcycle riders go back into the sky. This is a strong warning. Whether you are a driver or a pedestrian, always look carefully before crossing the street. Thank you for watching the video until the end. The situations in the video have helped us learn valuable lessons about traffic safety. If you feel the video is helpful, click like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss the next useful videos. See you in upcoming videos.